Salam to all. The dollar against Turkish Lira last week closed with gain as we expected. This week's stochastic not only gives the signal that it's very expensive, but also warns about a correction. As long as it trades below 1634, it may break 16 psychological level and then try 1540 support. Be careful, a decline until 1460, 1450 range, which shall be still considered as part of this correction, and the resistance is at 1670 level. As for euro against dollar, last week it closed at almost at the opening level, whereas we were expecting a rise. And this week, if it is above 1.0765 level, it may break 1.0793 and then try 1.0840 resistance. Last week's doji formation might be the halfway signal and head to 1.1150, 1.12 range. After breaking 1.0940, it'll be on its way to fulfilling this halfway, and the support is at 1.0627, and the stochastic says it's very cheap, as we all know. On the other hand, gold last week, it closed at almost the opening level, whereas we were expecting a rise, and the last week's doji breaking previous week's high and low. Is this a small turning signal? Anyway, this week below 1857, 1847 range, it shall break 1810 and then try 1800s, 1778 range. And the resistance is at 1874. Be careful with the stochastic saying that it's cheap. About Bitcoin, last week it almost closed at the opening level, whereas we were expecting decline. And this week, if it trades below 29,760, it may break 28,140 and then try 26,350 support on its way to the gap between 25,864 and 24,655 range. Stochastic says it's cheap, but last week's formation indicates that it will go for this gap that we're talking about, and the resistance is at 31,200 level. Finally, Ether also closed the week with loss, as we expected. And this week, if it trades below 1,755, it shall break 1,665 towards filling the gap between 1,659, 1,654 tight range. And then even with it, buyers at the last Fibonacci level, which is 1050. But don't misjudge a possible short correction at 1665, and the resistance is at 1860 level. Thanks for watching. Please note that any updates during the week will be on my Instagram and the link is below. Don't forget to share your comments, subscribe and set the reminder. Bye.